Whenever any patient visits any doctor with their problems, there are majorly two types of diseases involved. The first ones are the acute diseases such as cough, cold, coryza, fever, colic, headache, diarrhea, vomiting, gas, acidity, and many more. And the second ones are the chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid problems, fatty liver, kidney stone, rheumatoid arthritis, and many more. Now, in both of these diseases, the treatment plan is entirely different. In cases of acute diseases, due to their short period of affection and sudden onset, they get cured within a few days. And in cases of chronic disease, since the patient had them since many years, gets cured slowly, but due to the lifestyle problem, they persist and they have to be managed by medicines from a doctor. Now, I would like to discuss a patient of diabetes I had in my OPD. He had it since last 10 years. I asked him to get his HbA1c test done before any treatment as his recent reports were more than 3 years old. His HbA1c test in those reports came 10 plus. So I immediately asked him to get his urine RM test done as well. This seemed very irrelevant to the patient, why I am conducting this test, but a physician knows what he is doing, and when the test reports came, the test showed proteinuria and glycosuria, that is the presence of sugar and protein in his urine sample, which indicated he had CKD, that is chronic kidney disease. Now his treatment for diabetes and CKD both are going on, and he is in such a nice condition right now that he himself said that, sir, I have never been this well since last 5 to 6 years. Now he was taking medicines on his own since last 5-6 years and was not conducting any test. So due to this, he was not getting complete relief in all his problems and his condition was worsening. So this is where you should always go for a treatment, a consultation from a doctor only, and don't be the self-doctor, self-prescribing doctor from any videos or by reference from somebody else. So I hope this video was helpful to you in understanding the role of a doctor in curing a disease versus getting self-treatment and getting partial relief. So thank you so much. This was all about it. I'm Dr. Piyush Pulara from Kailash Multi-Speciality Clinic. If you want any online consultations, the details are coming on the screen. You can contact us there. Thank you so much.